In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize the projects feature in our software to streamline your workflow and enhance your project management skills. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, understanding how to navigate and optimize this feature will be a game changer for your productivity. Let's begin by accessing the Account and Settings section of the platform. To do this, locate the gear icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various options tailored to your account preferences. Once there, look for the Advanced section. This is where you can unlock additional features that might not be immediately visible when using the software for the first time. It's like a treasure trove of powerful tools waiting to be utilized. Within the Advanced section, scroll until you find the Projects option. Here, you'll need to activate the Projects feature. By enabling this, you're opening the door to a more organized way of handling your tasks. This feature, when fully utilized, provides a comprehensive overview and tracking system for everything you're working on, making complex project management simpler and more visually cohesive. Now that the Projects feature is switched on, let's explore how to create and explore projects by navigating to the Projects tab. This is where all the magic happens. The Projects tab acts as your dashboard, displaying all the projects you've created or are part of. It's a centralized location where you can monitor your progress, set deadlines, and manage each task within your projects. To start a new project, click the Create Project button, usually positioned prominently within the Projects tab. This will prompt a new window where you can enter essential details about your project. Consider this your project's blueprint. Fill in a project title that clearly reflects its purpose. It's beneficial to make it as descriptive as possible for quick identification later on. Next, detail the scope or objectives of the project in the description area. This allows anyone involved to understand the goals and deliverables expected. Once you've laid out these basics, you can dive into more specific project settings, such as deadlines, task assignments, and any additional notes that might be pertinent. This step sets the tone for how you will manage the timeline and responsibilities involved. By following these steps, you're not just plugging in information, you're creating a systematic approach to managing tasks and deadlines. This newfound clarity in organizing and tracking project elements can greatly reduce stress and increase efficiency. And there you have it, with the Projects feature at your fingertips, tailored to your unique requirements, managing complex tasks becomes